Attorney General Godfred Adame ebusiafo ono so wachokrata odinchimu apa edeko ediama the Honorable Speaker of Parliament Alban Kingsford Bagbin ebusiafo. All eyes were on the Speaker of Parliament on Tuesday. And all Ghana Funina. In fact, I could imagine how the speaker was feeling as at that time. Said Ghana Funina was waiting on him and what is going to happen. A day and a ABC. I was Funina a vacant seat. The Speaker of Parliament declared our Parliament House, the interpretation and the meaning and all that. Na enye asemketo anebusiafo nsem ni nyina ne se haruna ibrisu ene triggers ade we nyina de ba say constitution ni mu no se uko independent abusiafo na wose eje wo seat efru nchen na ye de uko vacant essence ye declare seat vacant essence wa contest wa uko as an independent candidate eno ensem a enkofo di intremu bebre aba ye say sometimes no interpretation of the law is from the court. Omuno metime interpreting laws ni yipa because we can just read it with our mere understanding, but it is up to the court to bring out the interpretation, the correct interpretation of that ruling. According to the Attorney General of Ghana, Honorable Godfred Adame, the lawyer Godfred Adame, the name Enichimu Aba, and no HSS Speaker of Parliament, ne seat no declare vacant or Parliament no. Now, according to the same, filing to contest future elections doesn't vacate MP seat. And no, the other say or filing to contest in the future elections no does not affect your current status in Parliament. And he said, Edia Cynthia Morrison, Akako filing a contesting for this upcoming general election. It doesn't affect her stand in Parliament. Wow, that is interesting. So I'm saying Attorney General Godfred Adame has submitted his legal argument as the second defendant in the ongoing Supreme Court case filed by Majority Leader Alexander Afenyo-Markin. According to a report, in his statement filed on October 21st, Adame contended that the Constitution does not require an MP to vacate their seat simply because they plan to contest a future election as an independent candidate or on a different party ticket. Intiano inchima or diabano or saying the Constitution does not require an MP to vacate their seat simply because they plan to contest a future election as an independent candidate or on a different party ticket. He argued that an MP seat can only be vacated during the current parliamentary term if the MP switches parties or declares independent while serving in the ongoing parliament. So this is the situation and yeah interpretation now. Ghana for be Eddie Abba, Ghana for be na your a lawyer for and omo interpretation eba entina near Elkosunum. To say filing a nomination to contest a seat in a future parliament does not automatically result in a vacation of the MP's current seat. It was say next parliament and MPs no a filing yet to contest. So currently no, they are still in their party, but they filed to contest as independent candidates in the next parliament because this parliament will be ending soon. That does not automatically mean say those MPs should vacate their seat. He clarified that any action taken to contest in a future action has no bearing on an MP's position within existing parliament. Adame further stressed that all state institutions, including parliament, are bound by their constitution and are subject to the Supreme Court's judicial review. He stated that any ruling or decision by the Speaker of Parliament that contravenes the Constitution can be challenged and reviewed by the Supreme Court. The executive arm, the legislative arm of government, and the judiciary arm of government. But money looks up to the broader constitution, the 1992 constitution. And to say, say the legislature no the interpretation be back na so ntiase anye juma e won kwan so mo the Supreme Court now omko interpreting ye na yeso ye tibi anasa ntiase the eba any other decision, ruling or determination by the speaker that is in violation of the constitution falls within the Supreme Court's jurisdiction. The case challenges Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin's decision to declare the seats of 4 MPs of members of Parliament vacant after they expressed intentions to run as independent candidates in the upcoming December 2024 general elections in Tebusia 4. Interesting times ahead. Tension kesiye pa na chese koso ewo mangani mu na chese odwin wa onti ase na wesi sei abusiafo na enwanu no enti letter anankrata e friend saying the Attorney General atro the Speaker of Parliament interpreting the laws the man no edam kenkan bi the man only Godfred ye po atame ono Attorney General only adwen na mami hu comment section enti enra some of the drama course Parliament no ye hwe dia NDC for now moto nyom they were marching, we were going back and forth. Now it was a funny sight to behold in Tiomuso. For enti na dia mo hweye na nkofo bi se enti obi maame ne obi papa ero mu di parliament a omo yese ya na yabusiafo eno anu enti na edwade NDC for no many age parliament but unfortunately no send na we expected things to go no ankonesa Ghanatube so betimi do comment Ła hocking meje be akinka Ghanatube to me makram.